it on? Oh yeah. Hey. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Amanda back with another video and I'm really tired. Anyways, today I'm going to be making a cooking video for breakfast with you guys. Yeah. It's not really a tutorial or anything because it's nothing special. I think I'm just going to make eggs and toast, you know. But I thought, you know, maybe I'll talk a little bit during it, chit chat, get to know you guys, you know, that kind of thing. For a second there I thought we didn't have any eggs and I was like, well, there that goes. Alright, first things first, coffee. Alice! So first things first when you're cooking, wash your hands. We ain't no dirty rascals in this place. Okay, so now I have my coffee. Went to the bathroom, found some bacon in the fridge, so got that. Got my eggs, some bread over there. Let's start cooking, baby. I don't know if the dishwasher's clean or dirty, but this one looks clean enough for me, you know what I'm saying? I don't quite know what I want to talk about yet in this video, so let's just wing it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. By the way, I'm not good at cooking, so if I'm doing something that doesn't look right, it's probably not right. Don't judge me. I'm just trying to eat. I don't know. I guess I can show you guys my dogs while you're here. Should I do... Yeah, I guess I'll just do the rest of this. Why not? If I don't need it, I'll give it to the dogs. They'll be fine. Okay, so I just put the bacon down. We're sizzling, boy. We're sizzling. Alright, guys. So this is Alice right here. As you can see, it's my little puppy. Well, she's not a puppy. She's like 4. No, 3. She's a little wild. But you didn't see her in my last vlog because, I don't know, she was off doing something. Oh! She just growled at me. This is Maggie. She's my other dog. You saw her in my last vlog because she's afraid of thunder. So, that's her. That's it. The other 2, I guess I can insert pictures if I can figure out how to do that. If I figured out how to do it, you'll see them right now. Right here, you know. Oh, also we have 3 cats. So we have 4 dogs, 3 cats, and a fish tank full of fish. One thing to know about Alice is she likes to run away a lot. We try to teach her to not run away, but she still runs away anyways, so that's just kind of how it's gone, how it's gonna go. You can't really teach her to not anymore.
Anyways, I have a Jeep, and somehow she always found, well actually even one time I wasn't in my Jeep and she ran out of my car. Okay, I'll just tell the story. Actually I have 3 stories for you of her running away. First story.
One time I went to Target with my friend Mariah. Okay, so we went to Target because there's a Starbucks in our Target. And we went to go get the unicorn drink. And all of a sudden, once we're leaving, because we couldn't get one because they were all out, we hear like barking and whining and everybody like talking and we're like, what the heck? Oh, this doesn't look good. Anyways, so we heard barking in the Target and we're like, what? And we look and Alice is inside of the Target. Now let me tell you how she got in there. We had the car still started because we were just getting a coffee drink. Oh my gosh, this is burning. I don't know how to cook. Ah, okay, this is burnt. Hold on. Okay, so we had the car still started because we were just getting we were just getting the Starbucks drink. So we were just like, okay, we're gonna get it and then we're gonna go. And it was the summertime, so we wanted to make sure that she was not overheating and stuff. Like we were watching out for her.
Sorry, I keep getting distracted because I can barely cook on my own and now I'm trying to tell a story while cooking and it's just really not going very well, I think.
We left the car on for her and then we decided to go inside And what happened was she had stepped on the window that rolls it down. She rolled the window down, and then she jumped out of the car. And instead of running away, somehow she was like, you know what? I'm going to go inside where everybody else is. And she was inside. Oh, I keep getting eggshell in here. I'm just gonna leave it. I'll eat it. It's fine. It's whatever. Sorry, this video's all over the place. I didn't prepare before this. I just turned the camera on and started going. And I think that was a mistake because now I literally am all over the place. I'm sorry. Am I a mess? Yes. Am I going to reset this up and refilm it? No. Whoa, I kind of flipped it. Good. Kinda. Not really. These pieces of bacon, rock hard. Anyways, next story. Now, this is like a short story, but one time we were in my Jeep, and I had like a soft top on, like the soft top on top of a Jeep for like, I don't know why you put them on. And the one zipper was broken on it, and it was like broken for a while, so we had to get a new one. But before we got the new one, I had Alice in my car, and I was turning a corner, probably going about 20 miles an hour, probably. And all of a sudden, she just jumps out that slit. Yeah, that's basically it. I just had to pull her back out. She was like on the ground, and her nails were all messed up because she tried to jump out of a moving car. Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. Hold on. I'll be back in a little bit. 1 second. We back. We back in here. All right. Oh yeah, and by the way, I did finish my sandwich. There's gonna be some clips inserted. It was alright. I wasn't really paying attention well enough when I was making it. So usually when I make it, it's like an 8 out of 10. This time when I made it, it was probably like a 6 out of 10. But it's alright. It was good enough for me. It's alright. So my last story time for Alice. So me and Mariah were in my Jeep, again, my Jeep Wrangler. And we had Alice in the car because, I don't know, we just brought her with us. I can't remember. And basically, we get onto the main road in our town. And, like, we're stopped at a stop sign, or a stoplight. And all of a sudden, I just see a dog on the side of the road. And I'm like, whose dog is that? And then I look, and it's my dog. It was Alice. Alice was on the ground, like, she was walking around. And so then I pull over really quickly into a parking lot, like, just a random parking lot. And somehow, like, there was, like, the main road, and then on the side of that, there was, like, buildings, and then behind that were houses. So there was a fence in between the buildings and the houses, and somehow she got on the other side of the fence, and I still, to this day, have no clue how she got back there. There was no holes in the fence. There was nothing. And so, literally, me and Mariah are out there, and we're trying to get her to come over to the other side, and we're trying to figure out where the hole is. So I'm holding her through the fence, so she doesn't run away. While Mariah is like trying to find where the hole is, and we couldn't figure it out. And it was a decently tall fence, so we couldn't really jump over it. And then, so we're trying to get her out, and we don't know what to do because we can't really hop the fence. None of us had the right shoes for it because we were wearing like sandals and stuff. And so we had no clue what to do. Eventually, we end up getting her. We get down, like Mariah gets on one knee, and I step over her, and then I grab her from the other side, and yeah, we did that. And then we turn around, and we see there's a cop car at my car, and they're like looking through my car, and I'm like, what are you looking for? And he's like, what were you guys doing on this property? And I was like, oh, we were just trying to get my dog. She was stuck behind the fence. And they were like, oh, okay. Like, we were doing something wrong. I'm like, I'm trying to get my dog. I mean, I guess it did kind of look like we were stealing a dog. But no, in reality, it was just my stupid dog just, doing her thing, Yeah. So out of all my animals, she's the most problematic, and she's a mess. She truly is a mess. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. I don't know, if you feel like it. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below if you have any video ideas for me and what kind of content you'd like to see from me next. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! That was pretty good.